Hey guys, welcome back. I'm so excited to announce my 12-week holiday home challenge, and it starts right now. I know it's a little early to start planning for the holidays. I don't want to see a Christmas tree in a store for a very long time, but let's be honest, organization is all about preparing. It's about planning. It's about making our life easier in the long run by doing a little bit of prep work in the beginning, and that's what this challenge is all about. We're going to be decluttering and deep cleaning, organizing, decorating, and transforming your home just in time for the holidays. I'm going to put a link down below to the free 58-page guide. It's filled with checklists and challenges and lots of planning pages for you. Every week, we just do something small that works us toward this bigger goal. So there's no rush at the end, no frantic cleaning before guests come, no last-minute shopping. Everything you need for a stress-free holiday is all in one place. And again, I'm going to put the link down below so you can get your free holiday guide. Also, stay tuned this week for the very first video of the challenge. Every week I'll be posting a new video. This week we're organizing clothing and making fall outfits, and it's basically shopping our closet, and it's going to be really fun. So make sure you come back and check out that video. I really want to follow all of your journey along with mine, so make sure that you're posting photos of the things that we're doing each week using the hashtag #HolidayHome, and you can follow me on Facebook and Instagram. Again, I'll put the links down below, and I'm going to be posting all the things I do each and every week. And again, get your free 58-page holiday home guide down below and follow along. I'm really excited about this. I'm excited for weekly motivation. I'm excited for a challenge because it always motivates me to show up, right? I show up and I do something productive towards my goal. And so, yeah, I'm already feeling motivated, and I hope all of your photos that you're posting are going to motivate others as well. I'll see you guys soon. Thank you guys so much for those of you who have stayed to the end. I cut my hair. I don't know how I feel about it. I think it's more the color more than anything else. It's definitely darker than I'm used to. It's still blonde. I mean, it's just not dipped in bleach, like a vat of bleach blonde. It's more like normal blonde, but I think the unsettling thing is it's exactly the same color as my mother's hair. It's basically the same length as my mom's hair. I look in the mirror, I'm like, I see my mother. Nobody wants to see their mom. It's very much a mom cut. And I'm in my 40s, but I'm resisting it, man. I'm raging against the light. I'm like, I don't want to feel old. And so it's just going to take some time to get used to it. I'm hoping more washes will wash out a lot of the gray undertones. I just don't think that's me, or maybe I just need to get used to it. I don't really know, but this is what I have realized. Every time I've ever had a breakup, it's been a long time since I've broken up with someone, like 20 years I've been with Joe. That's crazy in itself. But anytime before that I would have a breakup, I'd always cut my bangs. Always, like in the bathroom, or anytime I was sad or lost a job or anythime anything is I guess traumatic in my life, I'm like, a really bad haircut will fix this. Except I never think it's going to be a bad haircut. I'm like, a change, I'll dye my hair red. You know what I mean? I've done it all, thinking that this is going to cheer me up. What it does, though, is it distracts me from whatever was making me sad before, because now I'm sad about my hair. And so breakups, job losses, any traumatic event, and also apparently major surgery, because I got out of the surgery and I was like, I feel like a fresh new woman. That was traumatic and horrible, and I feel like I almost died. You know what I should do? I should cut my hair. No. Put down the scissors. You should only cut your hair when coming from a place of joy and happiness. That's a little life lesson for you. But anyways, thanks so much for watching. I'll see you guys next time.